If you like veined and masculine hands, this video is going to help you a lot. Just do these exercises daily for 7 days to get results. The first exercise. Align your arm and forearm and move your fingers back and forth as you open and close them. Do 2 sets of 10. I read all the comments and will answer all your questions and opinions. The second exercise. Put your hand on the back of your neck like I did, but don't put too much pressure on it now by moving your forearm. Bring your elbow closer, do 2 sets of 10. You can help me a lot by liking the video. Thank you for your like. The third exercise. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle or seen it in movies? This exercise is very similar to riding a motorcycle. Hold your wrist slowly and move your handle up and down. Just do this exercise for 20 seconds. The fourth exercise. Rotate your forearm and hand back and forth, and open and close your fingers at the same time. It's very simple, just try it. Just do this exercise for 20 seconds. The fifth exercise. Close your fingers and squeeze them together. Don't do this for too long, then rest for 3 seconds every 5 seconds. Do 5 sets of 5 seconds. The sixth exercise. Put your hands together like me, and repeatedly bring your forearms together. Do 2 sets of 10. The seventh exercise. Grab your wrist and move your handle up and down. It is enough to do this exercise for 20 seconds. The eighth exercise. Take your wrist and gently make a circular motion with your hand. 10 seconds is enough for this exercise. Ninth exercise. You only need a bottle. Hold the bottle in your hand. And press it for 5 seconds. And recover for 3 seconds. Do 6 sets of 5 seconds. The last stage is recovery. Here you just need to relax your hands and shake them little. 20 seconds is the right time for recovery. Thank you for giving me energy by liking and subscribing. You did a great job. Now do this exercise for 7 days to see how attractive and masculine your hands become. This channel is for your beauty, so subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.